and here is your question. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
I believe that we women, we Filipina women, are not just a light of beauty, but we are also a carrier of dreams and aspiration of our nations. Thank you.
Thank you so
Mayo.
much, Miss Sultan Kudarat.
Nice.
Alright, up next, Miss Launion.
Dadaan siya
Coming over.
pa.
Pag-deliver siya also.
Wow, lots of
Siguro kulang
supporters
og live.
here at the
Like, ang emotion lang siguro pag-deliver ni Sultan Kudarat. Pero the content na aman,
Miss Launion, are you ready for your final question?
laon yun.
I'm more than ready, and daghang salamat po to everyone who supported me through this journey. The Philippines is something and a place that I've been in love with my whole life. Growing up in a predominantly non-diverse part of the United States, I was identified as Filipina first and foremost because I believe in the limitless potential of the Filipino people. If I were given the title of Miss Universe Philippines, I promise to be a public servant for all.
Thank you so much, Miss Launion.
Labitin ko sa ending.
Now, brief
Murag silbi ang intro bitaw, murag taas na
Oo, taas na kayong intro. Tapos, wala na napangusgan ang pag-conclude bitaw. Oo. Pero nice siya, ang flow sa iyang answer
Yeah,
nga. Nagsugod siya ka ng, nai-empathy bitaw nga. Ako mismo, na siya personal bitaw nga ko
I'm feeling great
The
and the
situation.
abundance of support that
Pero
I'm
I think
receiving
ang kulang kay
tonight is
Laon yun kay wala na ko
overwhelming.
ganun na frustration.
Salamat. I do understand that we Filipinos feel that way because we care deeply and we know that we deserve better. As an OFW myself, I always send money back home and I feel frustrated too. But as long as we know that we show up and we don't just share struggles, but we share the stories of hope and culture and heritage for us being Filipino. And I'm ready to represent each one of you that we don't stop raising our flag because Philippines is worth believing in. Mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino!
Nice si Cebu. May concise sa gidayang answer. It's not long enough, it's not short, it's sakto lang. Nice pag iyang answer kay na-address niya ang frustration nga. Anong ma-frustrate ta? Tapos nice pag nga nag-share siya iyang
Yeah.
Personally, I am frustrated kay OFW ko. Ano bitaw? Pero ma-feel sa audience nga, ay kaparihan na to
Thank you
siya.
so much.
Nice si Cebu. Pila ko na-added kay Cebu.
Alright, are you ready for your question?
I grew up with an OFW mother and my father is a security guard. With this, I learned to be independent. So, as a representative of the Philippines in the international stage, I will bring this story that inspire and I will speak up to other people. And I believe this independency molded me as an empowered Filipina. Because an empowered Filipina has the light that empowers and forces the universe. Thank you so much.
Nice ang
Thank you
answer.
so much,
Pero dili ko
Mr.
ganahan sa term nga independence kay murag siya wala na address ang issue of frustration. Murag bitaw gina-neglect nimo ang issue sa Philippine government, corruption because you're just saying ay dapat lang maging independent. Pero nice iyang delivery. Dili lang nice
How are you right now?
ang logic.
Kinikilig ako. Our country is going through a crisis right now. And although this is something that is not new to us, I believe that I'm a representation of a Filipina who never gives up. We will always soar twice as high.
Very motivational iyang answer. I think
Twice as high.
medyo wala kayo na grabe bito ka pinpoint yun ang paan
Up
answer.
next, Miss Cebu Province, the mic is yours.
Yung murag nag-focus yun sa motivation nga. Dapat dili ka ma-frustrate, don't give up. Very motivational speaker si Joanne.
As someone who has not only represented the country, I have lived what it means to be a Filipina. The Philippines has so much to offer, not just the people, not just the stories, but our hearts. And that deserves to be spread all throughout the universe.
Wala na hit ang frustration
Thank you so
ay.
much. Thank you.
So far si Cebu
Si
Province.
Cebu Gyud, ang pinpoint niya nga OFW ko gabayad ko pero yun na niyang kakita mo sa tong country.
Let's go.
Pareha sila motivational sa katong last nag-answer.
I believe it is still very important to represent the Philippines in a global stage because the Philippines has so much to offer. To use my voice and be that example that we Filipinos are strong,
independent, confident, and beautiful. Thank you.
Again, Mark.
Pang pageant, kailangan nila mga sabagay. Walay solution
Walay
bitaw.
solution dyan.
Kung saan, di
Thank you,
ay.
ladies. Wow, 7 women remain.